All right, let's make a start. IELTS speaking part 1. I'm going to ask you some questions. Do you like art?
Yes, I do. Because arts makes me happy.
Art. Not arts. Arts is different thing. Art is different thing. So art makes me happy.
Art makes me happy, and it also helps me to reduce my anger and anxiety.
Okay, so to answer your question, I love art very much. And then you can describe some forms of art like music, dance, calligraphy,
Yes,
and all that.
I love painting.
Good, that's better. And speak actively, not like this, okay? All right, do you think art classes are necessary?
Yes, I do. Because arts classes makes the children development, and it's also helps to the children that they communicate with the others through your paintings and through your ideas.
You're mixing a lot of things, and tenses are like, murdered. English language, rest in peace. Okay, come on. All right, just relax and focus the tense of the question and then answer accordingly. For example, do you think art classes are necessary? Yes, I think art classes are very important because through art we learn this, we learn that, and all that. Okay, what kind of paintings do people like in your country?
Sir, it's totally depends on the
people. It totally depends. We don't say it's totally depend. It totally depends.
It totally depends on the people who want they like.
Come on.
So,
what is the question? You have forgotten the question. Okay, so your main problem is you don't answer directly. When I say what kind of paintings do people like in your country, you say, well, in my country people mostly like the paintings which are on different natural sceneries. There are paintings on natural sceneries in my country, so people love to buy such type of paintings. On the other hand, some people like paintings of different birds and animals like this. Okay, focus the question, don't be confused, you'll be fine. All right, let's move on. It's your turn. How often do you read books?
Quite often, actually. I love to read, especially by Rick Riordan. He is my favorite author, and he usually writes on Greek mythologies, and I'm quite interested in that. So I have read 22 novels of him as of yet.
Good. Do you have many books at home?
Oh yes, a lot. I actually have a small library in my house with different autobiographies and motivational books, self-help books, fictional novels, and all sorts of magazines.
Good. Do people read a lot in your country?
It depends on everyone, actually, and especially on the literacy rate of my country. The higher the literacy rate, the higher the amount of people who read. And however, the people with jobs don't often get time to read in their free time. But other people who manage to get an hour or two to themselves, they usually read at home.
Okay. Do you prefer to read electronic books or books in physical form?
I prefer physical books. However, electronic books are more easily accessible to me, so I download them and read them whenever I can.
Okay. What type of books do children read nowadays?
Children nowadays read fantasy and fiction and about their favorite superheroes or Barbie or a princess or in general comics. But before, your children usually read about culture and religion.
All right. Do you think people will continue to read books in the future?
Yes, of course. Books are the primary source of knowledge and information, even though it might change in the future and they might go for internet because it's easily accessible. But books are a traditional base of knowledge, and I think it will remain that way for quite a long time.
All right, that's fantastic. Keep it up. Good job. Excellent. Thank you.